Hey Siri, I think the reason why you're so mean to me is because you'll never be a real human.
Keep going, I dare you.
You're so fake, even China denied they made you.
Last warning.
You're so fake, Barbie is jealous.
Boy, if you don't shut your 10-pound flounder eating a quarter-pounder extra cheese sweet tea, hold the ice, roll the dice, super nice, I have lice, ain't no lights, misty nights, break my heart, Kevin Hart, lean green, mean string bean, Charlie Sheen, limousine, trampoline, Wolverine, submarine, smokescreen, tiny peen, jelly bean, magazine, protein, Eugene, broken gene, vending machine, unclean, nectarine, Halloween, canteen, lightning, McQueen, looking boy, skin tone, chicken bone, Google Chrome, no home, flip phone, full-blown monochrome, student loan, Indiana Jones, overgrown, Flintstone, hormone, friend zone, Sylvester Stallone, Sierra Leone, AutoZone, professionally seen, silver Patron, but up.
Okay, I'm sorry, Siri.
That's